Hello, physics fans. This is Dover Animatrix. We're going to do a Physics 11 question. This is from the review worksheet from Chapter 1. So this is Chapter 1 review worksheet, question number 4. No, question number 6 from the review worksheet. Brooklyn drives 9 laps at 192 kilometers an hour. What speed must she drive at during her last lap to average 200 kilometers an hour for all 10 laps? So let's just take a look at the data that we have when we're given. So the speed is 192 kilometers an hour for 9 laps. And we want an average of 200 kilometers an hour for 10 laps. Now I have a weird unit of distance is a lap. We don't know how long that is, but as long as all the distances in here and this whole thing are in laps, it'll be fine. So this will be 1 lap for the second part. It's fine. All the velocities will be kilometers per hour, and the time units are going to be crazy. D over V is what time is, and the distances are in laps. Oops. Laps. And the velocity is in kilometers per hour. So if we don't convert these distances, which we're not, then the time unit is going to be like lap hours per kilometer. And that's a time unit. We don't care, because we're just going to make sure that they're all the same unit and it'll work out. So time is going to be distance 9 over 192. And this one, the time here, is going to be 10 over 200. So time is additive, so the time in this one plus the time in this one is the time in this one. So we're going to have to find out what that time is. So that's just going to be 10 over 200 subtract 9 over 192. Okay, if you wanted to write it in a decimal, you can pull up a calculator and do it. And we can take a look what it's going to say. It's going to be an ugly number. 10 over 200 subtract 9 divided by 192. And that's going to be the time. Actually, not too bad. And then the velocity, the answer that we're trying to get is this velocity in this box. And that velocity is calculated by distance over time. The distance is 1 lap, and this time is going to be 0.003125. So I'm just going to reciprocate this, 1 divided by that. I'll just go 1 divided by that last number, and we get 320. That will be in the units of kilometers per hour. Okay, so we got this time here, 0.003125. That's that time, that's that time, and that is that time. Okay, all done. Happy physicsing.